Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm shifting my focus a little bit more over to copywriting because one, I didn't see a whole lot of hair regrowth from magically eating certain diets, and it was kind of frustrating. I mean, I got a lot of seizures under control through health and fitness. But when I started doing extreme diets, um, that kind of went out the window and I didn't grow my hair back. And uh, so taking a break from that, today I want to focus in on finding copywriting clients. Because right now I'm kind of in the time of the year where it's slower. People are on vacation and I need to find some more clients. I do have some clients, but I'm kind of an intermediate copywriter in that I don't have a constant steady flow. And I have to do the legwork to get there. And I'm going to teach you some of the things that I'm doing to help me stay accountable and on track. So listen up. First and foremost, avoid Upwork like the plague. Fiverr, Upwork, you can get clients from them, but you will be doing a ton of work. You will get discouraged, and it will be for such little pay that you'll quit and stop copywriting altogether. You'll stop professionally blogging for them, when you're getting paid $5 for 500 words. That can take you an hour to write. $5 an hour is below minimum wage. Stay off of Upwork, stay off of Fiverr if you want to become a professional. That being said, where do you look? Some people encourage cold emails, and cold emails are fine, but I don't encourage it as the first step. And I've taken a couple courses, AWI's accelerated copywriting course. I took, I don't remember his name, a couple other courses. And Jay White has a quick course on landing copywriting clients. He also has a nice daily leads list that I'm implementing. So if I find the link to his daily leads list, I'll put it below. That being said, where do you look? I like to look for job listings. There are job listings on LinkedIn. There are job board sites. The ones I've had the most success with are going to be ProBlogger and AngelList. Just had the most success with those. That being said, when you apply to these jobs, you can't do a half-assed job. You cannot do a half-assed job with your resume and your email to them. Maybe the resume you can, but they need to be able to see the vision of you working for them, see how it fits with their brand's voice. They want to have confidence in you as a writer. Most people are going to give you a test piece anyway, but you can send them samples. Send them, if you have a blog, send them the link to your blog, but only if it goes along with their niche. Like, for example, if your blog is about fitness and they're in the finance industry, it's not going to prove to them that you can do the fitness work of writing for trading or whatever. So send a tailored sample along with them. And you may want to actually go to their website and create a sample specifically for your job application. I have done that and landed jobs that way when I didn't have any clients or experience before. So that is a great way to do it. In fact, that's how I would recommend people do it. Go to AngelList, look at the startups. Startups are more likely to give newbies a chance. And get out there. create some writing samples, do some guest blogging. Some websites will pay you for your guest blog post. So pitch guest blog posts. How do you find guest blog posts for companies that you want to work for? Google the industry plus write for us or plus guest blog post. So that is how you land your clients, how you find your copywriting clients. Go to ProBlogger, AngelList, LinkedIn, and then start sending cold emails. Once you do, and have a consistent activities. Right now, I'm focusing on sending out 5 applications a day. 5 applications a day. And maybe that's not going to get me a job immediately. I know there is somebody who sells a course and he recommends sending out 20 or 100 cold emails a day, which is a lot. And maybe his clients do get faster results. They probably do. But you're sending cold emails all day, every day, convincing people who may not have a position already. Look at the job listings. These people are searching for somebody and you're going to meet their needs. It'll be easier to convince them to hire a copywriter than to somebody who's not necessarily looking for a copywriter. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe below. Hope you have a great day, and I'll update you tomorrow on my copywriting and give you some more tips on blogging. Take care.